Hey Spoon Inspired people, it's SewImani here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time. Let's get straight into it. I've got a product review and it's the Wetline Extreme Gel. Now I have been wanting to try this product for a while. If you know me, I normally go for custards. I've had quite a few bad experiences with gel, especially Eco Styler gel. Gels have not really been my thing. I normally go for custards or creams. However, there's just something about the reviews for the Wetline gel that just draws me in. It just makes me want to try it. So I said I need to find where I can find this gel, because you cannot find it in a store in the UK. If you can, please let me know. But as far as I know, you can only find it in America. And I tried Amazon, but in Amazon I think it was about £30. You get them in bigger sizes, which is what I was really looking for, but I didn't think I wanted to spend £30 on just trying a product to see if it's going to work. So I found this particular size, which is the 8-ounce size, on eBay. It arrived a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. However, it was $9.99 for this size. And if you know about Wetline, they've got different colours. Now I don't know whether the colours means different formulas, because they all say extreme hold. So I wasn't too sure which colour to go for. There's the green one and there's a clear one, and then there's this blue one. However, I think the blue one is the latest one, so I just went for that. Or is it the clear one? Anyway, I went for the blue one. After trying this, I am curious about trying the other ones. However, like I said, I don't know whether there is a difference. What is it just the colour, or is there a formula difference? Because they all pretty much say the same thing. So the Wetline styling gel has aloe vera, says it leaves no residue, alcohol free, and with UV filter. Now what you'll see in my hair is a twist out. It is a twist out using this product, because I did try it with the wash and go, which you'll see coming up, and I didn't feel like I was too impressed with the results. It actually looked very good on day one. Having looked back at the video, at the time I didn't think it looked that good, but looking back at the video, it actually did give me defined curls. They were very soft. One thing I can say is this product does not flake, it does not cake, it does not leave a hard cast on your hair. It leaves your hair very soft. But what happened is, after a few days I lost the definition in my hair, which happens quite quickly for me anyway. But with custards, I find that I keep some of my definition for a lot longer. This, within the next day, or maybe the next 2 days, it was back to frizz, which is fine by me. But if you're looking for something that's going to be a lot longer lasting for definition wise, this might not be it. But then again, remember, we all have different hair types, so it might work better for you. Anyway, let's just look into the application of this product in my hair for a wash and go. First of all, I applied a little oil to my hair. It's just a concoction of castor oil and almond oil. Separate my hair into sections and then start applying the product as normal, smoothing it through the strands of my hair. Now Wetline is water-based, so you don't feel any stickiness. You don't really recognize that you're using a gel. It's very, very water-based, very light. And I think that's what made me initially think that it wasn't going to give me definition, or it wasn't working. But having looked back at the video, there was some nice definition. But at the time I wasn't impressed, so I decided to use my Easy Detangler to see if I can create some extra definition, which I really didn't need to. It was doing quite well on its own, but I think this probably gave it a little bit more. So then I just carried on working the product through my hair. So here you can see the definition, you can see the curls. It did create a beautiful wash and go. My only issue was that it just didn't last very long. Within a day or two the definition was gone, but my hair felt very soft. I have to give this product 100% for giving you softness and moisture and shine. So overall it worked okay for me. Like I said, I am still curious into trying the other colours, especially the clear one, and there's also the green one. I do however think that I prefer the results with the twist out. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. See you in the next video. Keep taking spirit inspired actions and do it in style.